Hey everyone, it's Hervé. I hope you're all doing well. So February 2nd is Candlemas, which means it's the perfect time to make crepes. Although between us, I make them pretty much every other weekend at home. I've shared lots of crepe recipes in previous years. Crepes Suzette, vegan crepes, egg-free crepes, lactose-free, and so on. My basic crepe recipe, where we add melted butter to the batter to get super rich and creamy crepes. Today we're going to make some light crepes, that's right. This year, if you want to be a little more mindful and lighten, let's say, the calorie count of your crepes, well, you're going to get a crepe batter recipe that cooks up beautifully, giving you lovely, thin, golden brown crepes with fewer calories. As usual, we'll start in a bowl by adding the dry ingredients, so the flour, the cornstarch. Now, cornstarch acts as a binder, and it also lightens the texture of baked goods. I'm going to add a small pinch of salt. I'm adding my sugar substitute, so that could be erythritol, stevia. You can find lots of zero-calorie substitutes in regular or organic grocery stores. You can start by mixing the dry ingredients together. Then I'll add, this is some vanilla paste. And then in the center, I'm going to crack my eggs. So 3 eggs. Now for the eggs, you can replace them with ground flax seeds. 1 teaspoon of ground flax seeds. It's important that they're ground to get that slightly gelatinous texture of an egg. With 3 tablespoons of water for each one, so it comes out to about 50 grams, the weight of 1 egg. And there you have it, you just do that 3 times to replace the 3 eggs. That will obviously lighten the calorie count even more, because there are calories in eggs. Next, we're going to add our sunflower oil. And then the mixture of milk and water. So I'm going to start with the milk, which is a semi-skimmed milk. We'll add it in gradually, and both the milk and the water are lukewarm. That helps dissolve any lumps, and it shortens the resting time for the crepe batter. And now I'll add the water. There we go, now I have my crepe batter. There are no lumps. It's perfect. You can see the little vanilla seeds and everything. It's great. Once again, before I cook them, I'm going to let this batter rest. Now, not for very long, since we use slightly warm milk and water. So plan on about 15 to 20 minutes at room temperature, just like that, nice and easy. And then we can start cooking our crepes. All right, when you're ready to cook the crepes, take a little paper towel with a tiny bit of sunflower oil. We'll just grease the pan and let's get started. 1 ladleful, and here we go. So there you go, the batter spreads well, no problem. Often, when you mess up the first crepe, it's because the pan isn't hot enough. You need to get the pan really hot for at least 30 seconds before you sear the crepe batter. Very quickly, as soon as it's dry on top, I can flip it. I've got some beautiful golden brown light crepes. Perfect. We'll get a plate ready on the side. I really recommend putting a small sheet of aluminum foil on top to keep it soft and prevent the edges from drying out, especially. And there you go, we can cook all our crepes. All right, let's flip the next one, for tradition's sake. Whoop, perfect. So, while I'm cooking the crepes, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite topping? How do you like your crepes? I'll admit that for me, a little drizzle of honey, just like that, or lightly sweetened with just a tiny bit, that's perfect for me. Homemade jam, I love it. A little spoonful of honey, liquid honey, on the crepe. I'll taste one and let you know how they are. In terms of the texture, it's nice and soft. They're super good, a real treat. So if you want a classic crepe batter recipe, feel free to check out my YouTube channel. I'll put the links in the video description. And there you go, I'll also link all sorts of crepes that I've shared in the past. And if you want to try this light crepe batter recipe this year, well, go for it and let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. Thanks everyone, and then, get flipping those crepes.